السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the second part of our lesson series in spoken Arabic. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to appreciate others in Arabic and the responses. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. شكرا. شكرا. That means thank you. شكرا. Thank you. شكرا. Thank you. You can tell a male person as well as a female person شكرا. So it doesn't depend on a particular gender. شكرا. Thank you. شكرا. Thank you. شكرا. Thank you. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. So how do you say thank you very much? All you need to do is to attach جزيلا to شكرا. شكرا جزيلا. Thank you very much. شكرا جزيلا. Thank you very much. شكرا. Thank you جزيلا very much. شكرا. Thank you جزيلا very much. شكرا جزيلا. Thank you very much. شكرا جزيلا. Thank you very much. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. You can also say متشكر. متشكر. That means I am grateful. متشكر. I am grateful. متشكر. متشكر. I am grateful. متشكر. I am grateful. Either متشكر or متشكر. Both are correct. متشكر. I am grateful. متشكر. I am grateful. متشكر. I am grateful. متشكر. I am grateful. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. So in case you are a female person, you say متشكرة. 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 I am grateful. So متشكر is for a male person. As for a female person, you should say متشكرة. I am grateful. متشكرة. I am grateful. متشكرة. I am grateful. As a male person, you should say متشكر. متشكر. I am grateful. But as a female person, you should say متشكرة. متشكرة. I am grateful. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the responses. بكل سرور. بكل سرور. بكل سرور. If someone tells you شكرا, you respond saying بكل سرور. It's a pleasure. بكل سرور. It's a pleasure. بكل سرور. It's a pleasure. شكرا. Now the response. بكل سرور. It's a pleasure. شكرا. Thank you. The response to that. بكل سرور. It's a pleasure. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. You can also say in responding to شكرا تحت أمرك. تحت أمرك. تحت أمرك. At your service. If you are talking to a male person, you say تحت أمرك. The ka indicates a male gender. تحت أمرك. At your service or at your disposal. تحت أمرك, at your service. If someone tells you shukran or mutashakir, you respond saying تحت أمرك if the person is a male person. تحت أمرك, at your service. Shukran, the response. تحت أمرك, at your service. Shukran, the response. تحت أمرك, at your service. If you are talking to a male person, that is what the response should be. تحت أمرك. شكرا يا أخي. You respond saying تحت أمرك. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. You should say تحت أمرك. تحت أمرك if you are talking to a female person. If you are talking to a woman, you respond saying تحت أمرك. If a woman tells you شكرا or متشكرة, you respond saying تحت أمرك. تحت أمرك, which means at your service. تحت أمرك is for a male person. You say تحت أمرك while responding to a male person who tells you شكرا or متشكر. Then تحت أمرك is what you say while responding to a female person who tells you shukran or mutashakira. Mutashakira. So you respond saying tahta amriki, at your service. Tahta amriki, at your disposal. La'allaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. You can also say La shukru ala wajib. La shukru ala wajib. La shukru ala wajib. That means you don't need to thank me. It's my duty. La shukru ala wajib. You don't need to thank me. It's my duty. La shukru ala wajib. You don't need to thank me. It's my duty. La shukru ala wajib. La shukru ala wajib. La shukru ala wajib. La shukru ala wajib. So if someone tells you shukran or mutashakir as a male person, you respond saying La shukru ala wajib, which means you don't need to thank me. It's my duty. Or if a female person tells you shukran, which means thank you, or mutashakira, mutashakira, which means I am grateful. So you respond saying La shukru ala wajib. La shukru ala wajib, which means you don't need to thank me. It's my duty. La shukru ala wajib. La shukru ala wajib. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Make sure to visit our online store to buy a copy of our ebooks, which comprises of video clips and PDF file via the link below, right there at the comment section. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.